Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because I'm going to sit there and show you how to do a big batch of my pancake mix. Now, this all started when my husband knew I was going to use up this cute little bottle of the maple syrup. So, what does he do when we go out to the Amish? I gotta show you. This is comical. He goes and gets a whole gallon.
You allow your people to follow their gods.
Yeah, listen to him chuckling there. Well, hold on. We got a lot of plans to do with this big old bad boy. But before we can do anything like that, we used up the last of our milk pancake mix last week, I believe it was. And, well, he gives me no alternative but to sit there and remake some more and restock our pantry shelves. So I figured, all right, this is a great time to bring you all along to sit there and show you one of my bulk recipes. So I have 8 cups of all-purpose flour in here. We're gonna add to that 1.5 cups of buttermilk powder. So let's go ahead and add that. Then I have a 1/2 cup of sugar. Add that. And then we have 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. We have 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And we have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'm just gonna remove that off to the side. I have myself out a spoon, and we're just gonna work the flour in with all the buttermilk powder, the sugar, the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt until it's all nicely incorporated with one another. And then we're gonna sit there and put it into our canister until we're ready to use it. So I'm gonna continue mixing this all up until all the ingredients are incorporated. Now that we have our big batch of our Copycat and Jemima buttermilk pancake mix all mixed up, we have it inside of our canister. I went ahead and I just quickly rolled it out this way when I need to sit there and remake another large batch. Right here I have my bulk mix recipe attached to how to make the pancakes. Okay, I have this all rolled up. Now we put all the batter, or mix I should sit there and say, into our canister. We have the directions in case we want to make it again, and we have the directions on how to make them pancakes. So I just rolled this up I'm just gonna put it in there like that. That way when I grab my canister, all my ingredients and everything is there. You can go ahead and laminate your card if you want to. It's all up to you. So I'm gonna go put this on my pantry shelf, and here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings.
Now, wasn't that easy? Now, if you really liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel out greatly. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear?